In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a LinkedIn verification code not being received. If you're trying to sign into your LinkedIn account and aren't receiving the verification code necessary for access, don't worry. I've got a step-by-step guide to help you resolve this issue quickly and easily. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you trust for navigating the web. Next, head on over to the LinkedIn website. You can do this by simply typing LinkedIn into your search bar and clicking the link that appears. You'll be taken to LinkedIn's homepage, where we begin our journey to troubleshoot this verification code hassle. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your username and password as you normally would, but hold off if you're not receiving your verification code. It's time to dive into the settings to find out what's going wrong. After attempting to sign in, we need to get into your LinkedIn settings. If you're signed in automatically on another device, your LinkedIn homepage should have a profile icon or a small picture of yourself at the top. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu. Scroll through this menu and you'll find Settings and Privacy. Click it. This section of LinkedIn is where all the magic happens. The Settings and Privacy panel will present you with a host of options. Here, click on the section labeled Sign In and Security. This is where we can troubleshoot issues related to email addresses, phone numbers, and other security details that might prevent you from receiving your verification code. Within the Sign In and Security section, you need to dive into email addresses and phone numbers. With this feature, you can review the email addresses and phone numbers linked to your account. It's crucial that you ensure this information is up to date and correct. Sometimes, the verification code may not be coming through simply because there's a mistake in these details. Look over everything twice. Make sure that the email address or phone number listed is one you have immediate access to. Double-check spelling, digits, and the domain. It's easy for a minor error to slip in unnoticed. If you spot any inaccuracies, update them right away. After verifying your details, attempt to request the verification code once more. If you've updated anything, double back to the homepage, sign out if necessary, and click on Sign In to initiate the process anew. Watch your inbox, email, or SMS closely for the verification code this time around. And that wraps it up. Hopefully, by following these straightforward steps, you'll receive your LinkedIn verification code without any further hitches. If issues persist, consider contacting LinkedIn support for more extensive assistance. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the very best in getting your LinkedIn account safely accessed and verified.